Okay, so I have another quick tip for you. It's gym day, as you can see, looking my absolute best. I do like to wear my custom blend foundation with my setting spray, and I'm telling you, it doesn't move, it doesn't streak or anything. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you about. I'm here to talk to you about mascara. I'm going to demonstrate this little trick using the Motives Fiber Lush mascara. This is a brand new tube, and what I hate, I don't care what mascara it is, what I hate about a brand new tube is that it's too wet. And so I feel like, God, a week from now it's going to be perfect. But you want to use it, so you still want to scrape it onto the neck. I don't care what mascara it is, because you don't want to waste the product. You want to try to have that go back into the tube as much as possible. And like I said, with a new tube, sometimes that's not enough just to scrape it. So I'm going to set down the tube here. I'm going to take a tissue, and then I'm going to roll the wand back and forth just to get some of that excess. So you're not wasting a whole lot of product, if that was going to be your question. I don't want to waste product either. And then you go in, and it's not too much. I found when it's wet, too wet, and you go to apply it, it makes a mess. It's a mess. It's not separating the lashes. It's clumping, and it's so heavy with that product that the lashes just fall back down, even though I curled it. And so you can build this up too. All right, so there's once. Now I'm going to go back in, and again, Fiber Lush is my absolute favorite. It does have fibers in it, but it does not irritate your eyes. It doesn't flake, it doesn't smear. So I'm going to take that tissue again, roll that back and forth. See, I'm not getting a whole lot of product on there, which is good. Just kind of blotting it a little bit, and then I'm going to go back in and do it again. And it's perfect. I'm getting all the separation that I want. It's not heavy. I'm building up the length. That's the other thing with Fiber Lush mascara. Ooh, that was good. So I'm going to go to the gym and have major fluttering eyelashes going on. But anyway, you can build up the length. You can make them crazy long without them looking like spiders, just by making sure you don't have too much product on the wand. Now, a lot of people look at this wand and go, it's small. I like the big fat ones, they work better. Not true, not true. I mean, yes, everyone has their preferences, but I love this one. Don't let this little wand fool you. I get separation, length, pulls in, right amount of product. And like I said, you won't have to roll that on a tissue the whole time you're using this tube. It's just in the beginning, and only if you feel like it's too wet. If you're fine with it the way it is, then go for it. But always, always, you want to scrape excess product back into that tube. I found with all of our products, any of our products, when people say they're having an issue, it's because they're using too much. With skincare, they're not letting the product absorb into their skin before they move on to the next thing. And they'll say, oh, it's just peeling off. It's just rolling off my skin. Or my makeup is just rolling off. It's because you're using too much. You're not giving a chance for the product to work. So little goes a long way. It's always better to build. Build your coverage with foundation. Build your length with mascara. My eyelashes are nice and long today for the gym. Anyway, that was my tip for today. Fiber Lush Mascara by Motives Cosmetics. You can visit my website, motivescosmetics.com/catsbeauty, or you can private message me. Have a good day.